What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube. So, from the starting of this week, if you go to my high and low of the week, the market has already given us the signals. Since the date of Monday, Wednesday, the market did not give us any signal where it will be going for the week. So we waited till guys, please do not mind my voice. So I'm just waking up right now. So we waited till on Wednesday. That was when the market broke up to the upside, giving us a signal that for this week we are going to be buying. So we are on a buy side now. Today be Thursday. I'm having some confusing mind here. The market is still confusing me here. You see. So for now, if I should sell again, I think I still need a little retracement, like a little bullish to the upside. Maybe probably after these 15 minutes. Look what this time. This 8 a.m. Maybe any retracement or any bullish candle that will just pop up there. Or probably if I wait till the market break to that, this my horizontal range. If the market should break down here, I'm going to I think it's making a move. If it break to this line here, I'm going to take this sell. But I'm not going to stay longer because selling the market is not our signal for this week. I'm going to sell this market, then take a risk reward of 1-to-1. Then I leave the market. But let's keep waiting and see what's going to happen there.
So I'm pretty sure you are already enjoying the video. So I'm going to ask you for a favor. Just quickly go to the subscribe button at the right side of the screen. Just hit the subscribe, like, and also share the video for us. It's going to mean a lot to me. Thank you.
So guys, if you watch this 9:21 a.m., I just want to be transparent whatever thing I'm trying to show you guys or teach you. At this zone, I told you guys that I'll be waiting for a little bullish retracement at this zone if I'm going to buy the market, or if the market keep on going down, then break this my horizontal line, I'm going to sell, which is what I did. Like, I waited for the bullish retracement. It was only this one that popped on, so I was not too comfortable with it. The massive sell was too high, a fake breakout. Market break to this horizontal line. I actually took the trade, like I took that sell trade, which lead me to the result of this loss I'm having now. So guys, I think I'm already on the trade, like I'm on this buy right now. If you watch from the chart of my MT5, I'm already on the buy. One thing about forex is that you guys need to follow your rules and regulation. That also related to your risk management. In a day, I always take max to trade if I'm in a loss or a winning trade. So this one I took now probably is going to be the last trade I'm going to take for today. Like, this is going to be the last trade I'm going to take for today. If it went to my favor, fine. If it did not, I'll close for today. Just max 2 trade in a day. That's all you just need for the day. So guys, I'm on this buy now after losing some dollars. I think I'm in profit now. let me say it's going to go by the end of the day. $6. So guys, see you. So guys, I'm going to come back for this. Let me end the video for now and put my stop loss. The trade is not on stop loss. Let me fix everything up. So probably after some few minutes, I'm going to come back for this. The buy have started moving, you can see. That breakout here was just a fake breakout. So guys, as you can see, I'm in profit. Massive profit. I think I should put this in stop loss now. $21 in profit. Massive. This is really massive. Guys, just follow your rules and regulations. I think that is just the moral lesson of today's trade for me. Follow your rules and regulations. Follow your risk management. That's all. So I think instead of me to wanna put stop loss now, better I should just put it on break even. Like where I bought the market, that's where I'm going to put the stop loss. 196.601. Let me leave it there. Done. As it is now, that's my stop loss. Just very simple. You are the one who is going to make your trading lifestyle very simple. There's nothing much here that is difficult to learn. So guys, for today I'm going to end this video. If you know you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do all to support us by hitting up the subscribe button and share this video, guys. It's going to go a very long way in the progress of this our channel. So guys, I will still be on this trade, but for the sake of the longevity of this video, I'm going to end the video now. So probably I will screen record the screen of this to show you how far I let that go. That I'm still going to put it somewhere at the side of the video here. That is screen record of the video here. I'm going to put it somewhere here. So just stay tuned. Make your trading very easy for you. That's all. Bye.